In this video, I will be showing you how to create videos by using the Bing AI image creator. So let's get started. For this, just search for Bing image creator. We'll be having this official link. Select it, and here I would recommend you to sign in first. So to the rightmost top, we'll be having the sign in button. Just select it, and you need to sign in using your Microsoft account. After you sign in, just select video. Here we can change some settings related to the video. First is the duration. I guess it is fixed for 8 seconds. I'm not able to change it. And next is the priority one. So we'll be getting 5 free creations over here, and it gets refreshed in some time. And by free creations, it's going to be the fast one. So it will be done in few minutes per video. And we are having the standard one also as the priority, which takes several hours to generate a video. So if you're having the priority as fast, go with it because it takes very less time. And next we are having the aspect ratio. So we are having the TikTok format and YouTube video format, which is 16:9. And we can even upload an image and convert it into a video. So now let's see how it works. For this, I'll just go with the text to video generation. I will just paste my prompt and click on create. So this will take some time, just be patient. And we have got the video. It comes with a small watermark over here, and it has also got audio. As you can see, after I generated, now I'm having only 4 fast generations. So let me just play the video now. I mean, that's not bad at all for a free video generator. I don't even know how many free video generations exist anymore. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.